I've been asked to write an article around AI, so I'd like to, know how deep is this going for heating and renewable companies? What
Yeah.
will AI do?
Yeah. I mean, so there's everyone's using chatbots and things at the moment. I'm sure people are going to ChatGPT and asking it and finding it really useful that it can answer questions and summarize data and draft emails and stuff. Super useful. I guess our vision is it is way more powerful when it is embedded within your system. It has access to, if you've got everything in one place, if you've got all your data in one place, then you can access that information. But not just that. I think the real selling point of Agent Dave is it can do stuff for you. So everything that you could do by clicking around as a user, it has access to do that for you. And at Payaka level, if you're creating all of your like branded forms or your like questions that you want people in the field to be filling in, like it can do that for you and do it. Not only do it without making mistakes, makes the occasional mistake, but like way fewer than a human. But even if it does, it can fix them. But it can do a bit of web research to find out what are the MCS requirements for this, and then go, right, okay, this is what I suggest, and then check with the user, is this what you want? Yeah, great, and then just bang, done. And there's things that would have taken you, would have taken you weeks because you'd have been thinking about it, planning for it, building spreadsheets, figuring out, then going, right, I need to paste that over here. It can just do it all. So it is, in terms of the efficiency for your business, being able to create all that stuff. Not only that, automation's something we've had in Payeka for a long time. When this happens, do this. Send an email to this customer, move this project to the next stage in the pipeline, send a note to Steve internally to go and do the next stage of this project. It can configure those for you. So whereas previously you had to go, oh, when this happens, do this. You had to just like think about it. And it's really hard for people to even think about like what they want there. You could ask Dave to suggest some stuff for you. You could ask Dave to go, well, I want you to look at all of my proposals and figure out which ones should I be following up on. And it will go like, well, what do you want to rate it by? And I could just say, well, you figure something out. And it would say like, well, let's look at the value of them. Let's look at like how long they've been outstanding, whether the customer's viewed it, and then go, right, this one you should follow up on. Customer opened it at this point. I think there's way more we can do in future where like it's actually more even built into the automation so that you can get it to run some of that mid-automation. Well, do this thing, I guess, deterministically, i.e. based on the rules that you give it, then do this thing probabilistically, ask it to figure this out for you, and then continue that step. So it's like, it's giving it the right guardrails, but yeah, really powerful.